Unraveling, by Leaps and Bounds, a guide to English progress. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood, by leaps and bounds. Stick with us to discover not just what it means, but also how you can use it to spice up your English conversations. The phrase, by leaps and bounds, is used to describe rapid and significant progress or improvement. Imagine a kangaroo hopping across the landscape, covering a lot of ground quickly and effortlessly. That vivid image of leaping far and wide helps to convey the idea of making big strides in development or growth. It's a way to emphasize that something is not just growing, but growing very quickly and noticeably. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember them better. The phrase, by leaps and bounds, has been in use since the 16th century. Originally, it was more literal, referring to the physical actions of leaping and bounding. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical expression to describe swift and substantial progress in various contexts, not just physical movement. To truly grasp the meaning of by leaps and bounds, let's look at some examples. Technological advancements. Technology is advancing by leaps and bounds, with new innovations appearing almost every day. Personal growth. Since joining the debate team, Maria's confidence has grown by leaps and bounds. Business success. Our startup has grown by leaps and bounds this year, thanks to our dedicated team and innovative products. Using this phrase in your conversations or writing can make your English sound more native and expressive. Here are a few tips. Emphasize improvement. Use it when you want to stress significant improvement or growth. Variety of contexts. It can apply to personal development, business growth, technological advancements, and more. Positive connotations. This phrase usually carries a positive connotation, so it's best used to describe favorable changes. We hope this exploration of by leaps and bounds has enriched your understanding of English expressions and added a new phrase to your vocabulary arsenal. Remember, learning English, like any language, happens by leaps and bounds when you immerse yourself in it fully. Keep practicing, stay curious, and before you know it, you'll see your skills grow by leaps and bounds. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.